Hi everyone, I'm Syra Yousuf and today you have me on the hot seat. Balgham. I don't like it. I was playing a game with my daughter. We were guessing verbs and then adjectives and then we started on to name, place, animal things. I don't know, was it Nick Carter from Backstreet Boys or was it Leonardo DiCaprio? It was pretty much the same. I think it was Flower Power, if I'm not wrong.
And you still use it?
No, of course not. My child. I was with my child. Which is always true, by the way. Yeah. Both. Your career in real life. I think it's the fact that I stay up late, 3-4 a.m. type. So pehle neend nahi aati. One of my sisters, maybe a lawyer. I wanted to be one, but there's too much to remember and I feel like I struggle with that already, so I'm not gonna go there. I just finished a book, why can't I remember? See, I can't be a lawyer. I'm reading Elif Shafak's The Island of Missing Trees. If I'm on the dance floor, then there's just like lots, like there's a khichdi happening, right? But otherwise, I do this a lot and I do this. If something's not serving you, you have to let it go. I love the girl in the red dress and I love the emoji with glasses, with the front teeth sticking out. I make really good wings. There are these surahs that I recite, so it's a long list. That's what I do. I don't know, the people popping in my head are like, Bhutto, alive Imran Khan. Just to understand. Noori wanted to use some makeup stuff on. Like she wanted to use my mascara. So I said, no, not right now. When you grow up.
So you don't actually do that?
Like, she can use eyeshadows and blush and highlight, whatever. But stuff like mascara, like, palkein jhad jayengi. Last night.
What is it?
Don't ask that now. I made noodles. It is cooking.
Yeah, like Maggie.
Yes. I used to love chawal and ketchup. Dakota Johnson, Blake Lively,
And
Mahira. I think I've said this many times. I generally don't like dark eyes and dark lips, but I think that's, I don't know, maybe for some people it works, but I feel like it doesn't look all that good on me. Tattoos.
do you have any?
Yes, I do. One, it's an owl on my shoulder. Beauty advice passed down by my dadi was, don't drink tea. Samli ho jaogi. But that's not true. I drink a lot of tea and I don't think it has anything to do with complexion. But there was also coconut oil, by the way. Lots of coconut oil. Some days it's bittersweet symphony. Some days it's life is a roller coaster. Thank God I took this. I took this in the car right now of myself. Don't really use a lot of apps. I play games.
So your favorite?
It's called 3 Tiles.
3 tiles.
3 Tiles, yes. Me and my daughter play it. There was this one meme that came out with Shayar and my photo shoot that we had done where I'm kind of like shaping for him. Anatomy of a Scandal. Snakes.
Have you ever seen one?
Yes, I have. Of course I have. Bachpan mein to wo aap, you would see it, but then when we were shooting for Sinf-e-Aahan, they had a snake in the scene. And I was like, Naseeb, I can't be in the scene. What are you doing these days? Because I'm never doing anything.
So what are you doing?
Nothing, I'm here right now.
Okay, we're done.
Yay! Thank you for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.